All right, good day, 5-minute traders. Another idea post-Fed. Today is after the Fed. It is 6 p.m. on 9/20. And I'm going to throw out an idea here on the S&P. We also had an idea last week on the Dow that is still in play, and we'll see how that works out. But here's another one based on what I saw in the market. We did make another high today in the S&P, but it was another marginal high, and we're sitting here currently trading at 2504, and we've got two levels below us. We've got this one that 2493 or so, and then all the way down here at 2470. Remember, we had this gap up about 8 trading days ago. It was on Monday. Let's see, that would have been the 17th, 18th, on the 11th. On 9/11, we gapped up here at 2467-ish. And so we've been up about 37 points, or about 1.5% since then. And I kind of believe we still need to at least fill that gap, which would be down to 2465. And I think we're going to come back and at least touch this area at 2437. Everybody's all perma-bullish, the Fed talking about raising rates, but they didn't raise them again. Next meeting's not until November 1st when they announce rates, so we've got another 6 weeks. So in the meantime, I think we're going to see a little sell-off. Matter of fact, we've been up 12 days in a row on the Dow, and we haven't seen the same types of moves. We still haven't made a new high in the NASDAQ. As a matter of fact, the NASDAQ sold off today considerably, and that high from 17, 18 sessions ago, almost 3.5 weeks, still hasn't been hit during this recent run that we've seen in the Dow and the S&P, along with the Russell. The Russell actually did finally come up and I think hit its all-time high. But they all kind of struggled today, with the exception of the Dow. The Dow closed at a new all-time high. The rest of them kind of flailed around, came back at the end of the day, but I think the action between this and the bonds were telling me the bonds tried to push down, but they were actually trying to rally at the end of the day today on the 20th Wednesday. So here's the trade. I'm going to short right here, 2504, and I'll layer into it up to 2520 with a stop over 2525 on a Friday close again. Remember, Friday close. I want weekend closes. So we're only talking, even if you sold one right here, you're only talking about 21 points, less than a 1% move. And that's the range, or the range that I want to sell into. So I will sell my allotted size up to 2520, which is another 16 points. So basically, I'll probably do it every 4 points or so, and I might go 1, 2, 3, 4 in those different layers. So if you're a 10-lot trader, that's your maximum size. You would sell 1 here, 2 another 4 points higher, 3, another 4 points from there, and then the biggest size 4 right at the 2420 level. And then look for a stop to take you out on a closing only. So if we were to close this Friday or next Friday over 25.25, then I would pull the trade off. All right, so that is it. That's what I'm looking at. Again, hope you're doing well. If you have any questions, drop me an email at matt@OneMinuteTrader.TV. And we look forward to seeing your mailbag questions. As a matter of fact, we're getting lots of them, and we're trying to do videos on a lot of the questions that we're getting. If you're interested in a one-on-one consult with me, we can go anywhere from an hour to weeks at a time. So just give me a call, drop me an email, and then we can set up a calendar phone call of Skype, and we'll make it work from there. Hope you're doing well, and continue to have great success with the 5-Minute Trader, as we continue to provide you our best quality ideas, one video at a time every day. Thanks, and have a great day, and be safe out there.